All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Well, hi everybody. I'm back with another episode of Studio G Build. This time it's the panels. Yep. We had to figure out how to do some walls in such a way, and I already had canvas, heavy sailcloth canvas that I did the upper part. And still the lower part of the north and south wall and the entire walls of the east and west needed something else. So we came up with a few little tricks and thought I'd show you what we came out. Now, please take note. The carpet, which I already showed you how it was done, is undone in this. Continuity, oh well. It was all a lot of fun work, and I thought you'd like to see it. Here we go. All right, there it is. We're getting there. First there. And these have to be tucked in underneath the molding. And we're gonna put a shelf up here. It's coming along a little bit further. Well, that was that. Yeah, pegboard, whiteboard, and some other kind of paneling that was meant for something else. Anyway, it was working fine. It was another chance to use the staple gun. Brought Bob in to do some cutting, so I got to let him use some of the power tools. Got to have a little bit of fun. And we were able to get the walls up. Yeah, now, well, I think next we'll do the trim because the ceiling was the last part and that was a lot. But the trim, oh my gosh, that was lots of fun. But I hope you enjoyed the little bit about the walls. So it's getting together, you see it coming together. And yeah, it's been great fun. So until next time, everybody, on my next installment for Studio G Build, keep looking for the beauty hidden in plain sight. It's all around you. But the first place you're going to find it is if you go look in your own mirror. And I'll see you on the next installment.
All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.